Hello everyone, welcome back to another video from Webtech Tutorial. In today's episode, I'm gonna be showing you how to get Webull application downloaded on your Android phone. So let's dive into the video without wasting much of our time. Open your Play Store to get started. Also make sure that your Android device is connected to a stable internet. Now, go to the search box and type in Webull and search. Look for this application from Webull Technologies Private Limited that says Webull Stock Codes and News. To begin downloading the app, tap on the install button and wait for the application to install on your Android phone. The download process might take several minutes depending upon your internet speed. Once the application is downloaded, go ahead and tap on the Open button to launch open Webull application on your Android. Start off by creating a new account if you don't have one by tapping on Sign Up and following the prompts, or if you already do, tap on Login and enter your credentials to access your account. So that's how it can be easily done. If you found the video to be helpful, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting the subscribe button. Also press the bell icon so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. I'll see you again in the next video. Goodbye till then.